it is time for Circle. Let's take a look at our calendar. It is May the 7th. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Figure out what today is. I bet you already know without even singing the song, but let's sing it anyway. It's a good song. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 You say
Sunday and there's Monday.
Can't hear you.
Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. 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 And today is Friday, May 7th, 2021. Tomorrow is Saturday the 8th. Sunday is the 9th. And we'll be back here on Monday. Let's take a look at our pattern. We have 3 of everything. So let's say it together. Sun, sun, sun. That's 3 suns. Kite, kite, kite. That's 3 kites. So what's going to go here? Sun. How many suns do we need? 3. Sun. Sun. That's 2. We need 1 more. Sun. That's 3 suns. I wonder what's going to be on Monday. All right, we said today it was going to rain. Is it raining? No, so that means we can go. We can go outside. It is sunny today. We can go outside for recess. It's Fun Friday. All right, what kind of weather are we going to have for our Saturday? Rainy for our Saturday? Oh, no. We put sunny outside today, and now we're predicting rainy weather for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet. Remember, we're not singing it anymore. We're going to say it. Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's go ahead and count. We're counting to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6. I can hear you. 7, 8, 9. There they are. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, we're on it today. Let's count backwards from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5. Then we're going to 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yay, Blossom! Let's look at some colors. What color are you sitting on? Green. What is green up here? Disgust. Who is that? Say disgust. There you go. Right here, what color are you sitting on? What is yellow up here? That's right. What color are you sitting on? Purple. And friends at home looking, what is purple? See if you can find it before our friend does. What's purple? Celia, that's right. All right, we're looking at some colors on our shapes. Going back to my friend, what color are you sitting on again? Purple. What shape is purple?
What color are you sitting on?
Yellow.
What shape is yellow?
The dog.
The star. Perfect. What color are you sitting on?
Green.
What shape is green?
Oval.
Oval. My goodness, you all are so smart. Our nursery rhyme this week, and it's our last week with it, is London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. All right. Our letter this week is the letter C. What is it? What's the letter? Right here. Eyes are here. What letter is this? C. The magic C. The magic C starts at the beginning of cookies, Carl, cat, and Cogsworth. All right, let's think about where we start our letters. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Very nice. Start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Numbers started at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember, start it at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. At the top. Very nice. All right. Have a seat on your bottom. We're going to make the magic C. We're going to sing our song. Sing it with me. Are you ready? Here we go. Starting at the top. Make the magic C. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Stop at the bottom. Look and see. Point to the C. Point to yourself with your thumbs. All right, let's try one more time. Ready? Fingers at the top. Do it with me. Make a magic C. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Stop at the bottom. Look and see. That magic C looks good to me. Very nice. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time, and we will see you on Monday.